Hello, I'm going to show you today what a sentence book is. So your child will bring home a book that looks like this. On the inside, they will have all the high frequency words, and there will be the next set at the very back. So what happens is every morning they come in, they put their book down on their teacher's table, and then they pick. So your child will have words highlighted. That means that's a word that they are confident with. It means that they don't have to sound it out. They can look at it and they automatically know, okay, this word is was. So each day they come in, they pick a word. So maybe they will pick there. So their teacher will write the word there at the top by itself, and then they're going to ask your child to think of a sentence. So the idea is if they can think of the sentence, they're more likely to remember it. So if the sentence is a bit funny or a bit odd, it's because they have come up with it, and they're more likely to remember it than us just saying, okay, here's your sentence. So their sentence might be, now I've got to think of one. There were lots of children at the park. So their teacher will write the sentence for them. And then what we will do with them, we will say, okay, point to the word at the top. There, perfect. Okay, now point to the word and read it. There were lots of children at the park. We might get them to do it a couple of times until they can do it and remember and touch the word for word. Then when they get home, it is their job at home to do the picture. So this helps us know that you are continuing the sentence book at home, and it also saves us a lot of time in class. So when they get home, you can say, okay, can you get out your sentence book? And you're going to draw your picture. So let's read the word together. Point to it. There. Okay, tap the sentence. There were lots of children at the park. And then they can draw the picture, read it again. So each day they will add a sentence. And then each day when they get home, you will go back to the front of the book, read the word there, and then read the sentence. So as you go through it, you'll be reading, 10 pages of it a night, but it should be super quick. It should be that they've memorized it. They know the word. They tap out the words as they go. And then once we get probably once there's about 10, we will start leaving the first one and start from the second one. And just so they can add new ones and it doesn't take, an hour to get through their sentence book at home. If they come home and they don't have a new word, it just must have meant we didn't get time to do it at school. It must have been a bit busy. All right, so that's the sentence book. Hopefully it helps them remember their high frequency words. It is to get them to remember it from memory. So we don't want them sounding these words out. We want them to look at it and know straight away, okay, that word is there. Nice and easy. All right, thank you. Thank you for your help. We couldn't do these things without the support from home, so we really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.